Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that might seem a bit controversial: why looking poor is important. First off, let's talk about authenticity. In a world where social media often showcases the perfect life, looking poor can actually be a statement of authenticity. It shows that you're real, relatable, and not afraid to embrace your true self. What do you think? Is authenticity more important than appearance? Next, looking poor challenges societal norms. We live in a culture that often equates wealth with success. By choosing to look less affluent, you can challenge these norms and encourage others to rethink their values. It's about promoting a mindset that values character over cash. Let's not forget about financial freedom. Sometimes looking poor is a conscious choice to live a minimalist lifestyle. It allows you to prioritize experiences over material possessions. Imagine traveling the world or investing in your passions instead of keeping up with the latest trends. Another important point is building genuine connections. When you look less affluent, people may approach you without preconceived notions about your wealth. This can lead to more authentic relationships based on shared interests rather than financial status. Lastly, looking poor can give you a unique perspective on life. It can foster empathy and understanding for those who are less fortunate. So, there you have it. Looking poor can be a powerful statement about authenticity, societal norms, financial freedom, genuine connections, and perspective. What are your thoughts on this topic? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more thought provoking content. Remember, it's not about how much money you have, but how you choose to live your life. Until next time, stay true to yourself and keep questioning the status quo. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.